back home after traveling for like the last 2 weeks. Was a good time though, but we're home. And that doesn't mean that I can't stop making videos. So now we're gonna do a real world test video on the new OnePlus 7T. So basically what's gonna happen is I'm gonna go throughout my normal day today. I've got a lot to do, but I'll be checking in on the battery throughout the day to see how it's doing, and then also taking photos with this phone and a few of its competitors and putting them up on the screen so you guys can kind of compare them and see how it does. So to get started, I've been up for a bit and I've kind of been working and editing videos, but it's 11:52 p.m. and we are at 89%. The phone came off the charger at about 8:30 in the morning. But first, coffee. Okay, we got coffee. So right now, real quick, let's talk about why this phone exists, because it's kind of interesting. So something that's a little confusing about the naming structure for these is that the OnePlus 7 Pro that was just launched, seems like maybe the OnePlus 7T would be an upgrade to that, like kind of how you have like the iPhone 6, the iPhone 6S, etc. But it's not. This phone is actually $100 cheaper in the configuration that I'm using than the OnePlus 7 Pro. And it's being positioned as kind of a sequel to the 6T. So 7T, 6T, 7 Pro, higher, I don't know. Now it seems to me like they're kind of trying to position this at a bunch of different price points, all of their phones, right? Because the 6T now still is on sale here in the States, and it is $499. This is $599, and the OnePlus 7 Pro is $699. And considering that the 6T is still a good phone at $500, it gives you a lot of options actually. Okay, now let's grab some lunch and meet a friend. And by food I meant more coffee. It's just while I wait. As soon as he gets here, I'll eat. And he made it. It's MJ from Gadget Match. We're gonna be obviously working here for a bit on some other videos, but I'll leave a link below so you guys can check out his channel. He does some awesome tech content as well. And while we're here though, really quick, let's check in on the battery. So it is 3:18 p.m. and we are at 62%. Okay, testing the low light shots now. We're at dinner and having a drink with some friends. But let's check into the battery while we're here. It is 8:50 p.m. and we are at 34%. right, calling it a night. It is now 1:12 in the morning, and we are at 20%. Here's my screen on time and my app usage and all that fun stuff for anybody that's interested in that. There you go. I mean, as far as battery life is concerned, I think like it's a little less than the 7 Pro, but kind of on par. It's not much worse. And honestly, both of those devices are probably on par with like an S10 or an S10 Plus. They're all kind of similar. Not crazy good, but not bad. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below of this video. If there's any improvements you think I can make, always trying to get better at these. Also of the phone. Curious to see what you guys think of that as well. Otherwise, if you like this video, please thumbs up it or share it. It's greatly appreciated. Also check out the rest of the channel if you like what you see there. Please subscribe and ding the bell next to where subscribe so you get notified when I do new videos. As always though, regardless, thanks for watching.